The first time I clicked buy stock, my hands shook so badly I misclicked twice. If that sounds familiar, please know, your fears don't mean you can't succeed, they mean you're thoughtful. Investing can be a daunting journey, especially for beginners and those who feel hesitant about taking the plunge. I understand that the fear of losing money and the uncertainty of markets can be overwhelming. However, it's crucial to acknowledge that these fears are natural and shared by many. The key to overcoming them lies in understanding the psychology of investing and embracing effective risk management strategies. Let's explore how you can shift your mindset and build confidence as an investor. First, it's important to recognize that fear often stems from a lack of knowledge or experience. By educating yourself about investing fundamentals, you can gradually dispel these fears. Start by learning basic concepts such as asset classes, diversification, and market cycles. You don't need to become an expert overnight. Rather, focus on building a solid foundation that will help you make informed decisions. There are countless resources available, from books and online courses to podcasts and community forums that can guide you through this learning process. Another critical aspect of overcoming fears is understanding your own risk tolerance. Everyone has a different comfort level when it comes to risk, and identifying yours will help you tailor your investment strategy accordingly. Ask yourself how much you are willing to lose in pursuit of potential gains, and consider factors like your financial goals, time horizon, and personal circumstances. Once you have a clear picture of your risk tolerance, you can choose investments that align with it, thereby reducing anxiety and increasing your confidence. Developing a disciplined approach to investing is essential for managing doubts and uncertainties. This involves setting clear goals, creating a plan, and sticking to it even when emotions run high. Remember that markets are inherently volatile, and short-term fluctuations are normal. By focusing on long-term objectives and maintaining a diversified portfolio, you can mitigate risks and avoid impulsive decisions driven by fear. Regularly reviewing and adjusting your plan as necessary will also help you stay on track and reassure you that you're making progress towards your goals. Finally, embrace the mindset that investing is a journey of continuous learning and growth. Mistakes and setbacks are inevitable, but they offer valuable lessons that can strengthen your resilience and improve your future decisions. Surround yourself with supportive individuals, whether they're fellow investors, mentors, or financial advisors, who can provide guidance and encouragement along the way. Remember, the most successful investors are those who remain patient, adaptable, and committed to their long-term vision. By cultivating a positive and proactive mindset, you can transform your fears into opportunities and embark on a rewarding investment journey.